Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mitha Yusuf, and today we are going to study about what is social anxiety. So let's move on to our topic. Social anxiety involves intense fear of certain situations, especially situations that are unfamiliar or in which you feel you have been watched or evaluated by others. These situations might be frightening that you get anxious just thinking about them or go to lengths to avoid them, disturbing your life in the process. Basically, social anxiety is the fear of being crucified, judged, or embarrassed in public. Situations in which you experience social anxiety: talking to your boss, talking to your colleagues you are not familiar with, talking in open spaces where others can see you, bumping into someone unexpectedly in the corridors or supermarket. There are several factors or reasons behind social anxiety, but I will discuss few of them. Number 1, low self-esteem, lack of confidence. People who tend to have low self-esteem or lack of confidence have problems while interacting with others, so they have higher risk of having social anxiety. Excessive criticism. People who are oftenly criticized for their actions or have negative influence upon their environment have social anxiety. Adverse past experiences. People who have traumatic childhood or traumatic event in their life may experience social anxiety. If you are suffering from social anxiety or know someone who does, then consult a mental health professional or a clinical psychologist so they can seek help. If you suffer from social anxiety, then talk to someone reliable. Improve your communication skills, which can help you to communicate with others. Also, do deep breathing exercises so that you can control your anxiety level. Learn something constructive like painting, learning an instrument so that you can gain confidence in your life. Setting small goals and achieve larger ones. Develop a healthy routine in which have a proper nutritious diet and a complete balanced diet. Drink 9 glasses of water a day. Develop a healthy hygienic sleep routine. Take medication if you are feeling or experiencing extreme anxiety prescribed by the specialist or the psychiatrist. Spending time with your family and friends, which can help you to overcome your anxiety. Praying can also help you to reduce anxiety and give you hope. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more latest update. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.